I did the UCLA's Public Health Scholars Training Program in 2019. It was comprised of 38 lovely people. We're all from different walks of life, and we're just learning from each other, trying to be better public health advocates. And honestly, this was just the best summer of my life. I grew up in the San Fernando Valley, specifically in Van Nuys. It was mostly comprised of the Latino population. My parents' journey really did impact me. My mom came to the United States from El Salvador with only $50 in her pocket. They sacrificed so much for my sisters and I so we can have the opportunity to be successful in this country.
Growing up low income, Black, dark-skinned, queer in Nashville, Tennessee, in the Bible Belt, like literally from here, 50 feet away from the front door of the interstate. Growing up as a kid, I was sick all the time. It was always like bronchitis, runny nose, coughing. I think the UCLA program helped me kind of have a better view of this big world that public health is. When I think public health, I would tell a layperson, think of like everything in your life that impacts your health. Think of the food you eat, think of like the air you breathe, think about the smog.
The Scholars Training Program, it's an 8-week program where you get to learn everything about public health. I've been seeing a lot of disparities recently. I'm seeing the lack of access to healthcare. We all have a right to be treated with respect and decency. No matter what our color is, no matter our social economic status, we deserve respect in this world. And that really inspired me to pursue my career in public health education.
I started learning more about how politics, how culture, how racism, sexism, discriminations of all kinds also contribute to the health outcomes we see today. If we really want to create this world where at least we all have equal access to the things that it takes to live a healthy, fulfilled life, we have to work with a lot of different minds, and I think the UCLA program just exposed me to more different minds.
This program is not just a program, it's a family. A lot of mentors, professors paired up with us. My mentor really did help me with job searches. I felt like I was prepared after this program to continue on and work, live in the real world.
What I'm doing now, I started doing this fellowship program with the city and county government of San Francisco. I do a lot of work with homelessness and supportive housing. And now with COVID going on, how do we make sure we keep these people safe from this pandemic? How do we get people into safe housing?
I am working as a health educator with Breathe Southern California. I genuinely believe that education really evokes the greatest change.
After we leave here, we go off in all our different directions, but we're still on that same mission of helping people access easier, healthier lives. And who knows what ripples will come from that too.
And I'm very proud to be a part of a generation where I know we will be the change. Now it's up to us to actually do something about it.